Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another pullback day here, and definitely some new levels here established that I think a lot of people will be paying attention to. And it really just once again goes to what was your strategy, what was your game plan going in. Meaning, if you are some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought up there, you bought right there, you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes after entering, well then yeah, from that angle, from a day trading standpoint, the chart's not looking very good. But from the grand scheme of it all, even with the pullback here, the overall chart still has plenty of a trend to it. Let me squeeze things down. You can see the trend is still very much so in the bulls' favor, especially watching that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which I've talked about in past videos. I mean, actually, just a classic example here. Beautiful bounce off it right there. And then right here, got the hammer candle forming right at that. Hammer candle being a nice bullish candle. So point here being that assuming you do care about the grand scheme of it all, yeah, the past couple of days may be relatively annoying. But overall, it's not like the prices crashed down and started to break down through new lows or anything like that. Now, if all of a sudden the price just crashes down and gets below 40, well, then at that point, all right, now all of a sudden the price is almost starting to put in lower lows. But as of now, if you were to just, and this is very roughly speaking, but you look at these these lows, and if you envision those as stair steps, you can see very clearly stair steps still continuing in the upwards direction. Now, in the near term, though, and the interesting dynamics, and I think the level that every breakout player is now going to be watching, right up there at 57.50, kind of a random level, but for whatever reason, after today, you can see struggled, and just couldn't quite ever get up above it. And then, of course, after that, what I'm going to do here is adjust this level down. And that's representing the blue sky breakout point, which seems to be more so right around 68.75. But really before, in fact, I'm just going to get rid of that line because for now, it's all about whether or not the price can even get back above that level right there. But if it can, then no guarantees. But especially if it's a high volume break, you got to like the chances that it tries to make a move up there and to retest those highs again. So like I said, yeah, depending on your game plan, depending on your strategy, maybe this chart looks really, really bad for you. But assuming you care about the grand scheme of it all, the overall trend is still intact. So let's see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.